How to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to add your Revolut IBAN to Binance. For that, open up Binance, then you have to navigate to the wallet option from the bottom right corner. Now from your wallet section, go to the Fiat and Spot that you can swipe the menu bar at the top to your left if your account is verified. In my case, my account is not verified yet, so I don't have an option to withdraw an amount. So under the Fiat and Spot section, you have to tap on withdraw. Then choose EUR. After that, you have to select the bank transfer. Then under that, add a new pay. There you could paste your Revolut IBAN, which is your unique IBAN that usually starts with LT in euro. So from your Revolut account, you could copy your Revolut IBAN and then again paste the Revolut IBAN under the new pay in Binance and also the exact name as shown in the Revolut. Now you have to say the new pay. Once you're done with that, now to initiate your withdrawals, again on the Binance, on your withdrawal piece, you have to choose EUR or SEPA as a method. Then you will have an option to select your Revolut account. Then after, enter the amount that you wish to withdraw and review the fee. And then the estimated processing time will take up to 1 to 3 business days. Once you're done with that, now confirm and complete any other two-factor authentications or email verifications if required. If not, now the Binance will show the withdrawal status. Once completed, your EUR should arrive in Revolut with 1-3 business days, and you will see our SCPA credit notifications in Revolut application when it's arrived. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.